Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into the heart of your engine, fuel injectors. We'll explain how they work, the common issues they face, and how to fix them yourself or with professional help. Let's jump right in. Fuel injectors are part of the engine's fuel delivery system that delivers precise gasoline or diesel amounts to each cylinder. Exactly when needed, they have an atomizing nozzle that distributes the petrol or diesel evenly for optimum combustion and efficiency. Most fuel injectors are at the head of the engine. They are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. A faulty fuel injector can cause a short or uneven supply of fuel and result in a rough or violent idle. It would also cause engine vibration because the corresponding cylinder cannot be fired. You may find some white smoke coming out of the tailpipe and experience poor gas mileage. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the fuel injection error codes. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has no seals, and never use the old seals over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set, otherwise the engine will run unevenly. In order to prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak after all. Just slide all the new fuel injectors in. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, or if the issue persists, don't hesitate to visit a trusted mechanic. They have the tools and expertise to diagnose and fix the problem. And there you have it, everything you need to know about fuel injectors, how they work, and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more car care tips, and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, happy driving.